Let's start something simple, shall we? Say hello. Hello. Nice sweet hello. Now, he has a name. What's your name? Amigo. Did you catch that? What's your name? Amigo. Amigo is his name. Now, amigo here is a very polite word. Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you? So, how are you doing this afternoon? Good. Good to hear. Now, amigo here is a very smart bird. Amigo, would you like to show them how you count 1 to 10 in English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect, 10. Now, amigo here is going to impress you some more. He's going to count 1 to 10, but this time in Chinese. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Languages. The first song is a Mandarin song, a local children's song called Current Life. Now, amigo, sing for us this song in Mandarin. Current Life. And ba 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 ba. Current Wonderful word, current life. Now, amigos, the second song is a Malay song that originated from Indonesia, and it's called Rasa Sayang. Rasa means feel and sayang means love, feelings of love. Another song that the locals will know. Amigos, sing Rasa Sayang. Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang. No wonder he's so happy. Everyone, today is Rocky's birthday! Now, Rocky has also told me that there are 2 people today celebrating their birthdays. May I know where is Basil and Mia? There you go! Now, those 2 are celebrating their birthday today. Everyone, please give them a big round of applause. Thank you for celebrating your birthdays here at the Bird Park. And for you, Rocky, amigo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.